Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I'm really excited to show you this new personal item backpack today. And the main reason I'm excited to show it to you guys is that it's from Underseat Pro. When I reviewed this rolling underseat bag that is foldable from Underseat Pro, you guys went nuts, and I can't blame you. This is a really great, really spacious personal item bag on wheels with a handle. But they also now have a backpack version, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Not only am I going to show you the backpack inside and out, but I'm also going to measure it and I'm going to pack it twice. I'm going to pack it the way that I would personally pack it as a personal item, but I'm also going to pack it with items if you wanted to pack clothes and stuff like that. Here it is, you guys, and I talk with the owner of this company. He's a small business and he is so passionate about his products. When we got sent a bunch of his new items, we talked on the phone for probably hours that night, just going over everything and talking travel. And I really, really love to support small businesses. When it's just a guy that's traveled that then realizes there's not something on the market for what he needs and just went ahead and created it himself. So I'm so proud and so happy to work with this company, and I think that their products are incredible. All right, so this is the Underseat Pro Backpack. You can get this on their website or on Amazon for $49.97. I am going to go ahead and link down below, and if you order from their website, Brian and I do get a small commission, which doesn't cost any extra to you. They're the same price on both websites. It just helps our channel a little bit more. But I do want to say that the owner of this company did test this bag himself on all of these airlines, and he has found that it can work on these airlines as well, even though it's technically not in the baggage allowance for a personal item. You can use it on those airlines or not, but they have been used on there before. So let's go ahead and measure it. It is empty right now, but because it has more of a boxy shape, I can actually measure it and it can stand up on its own. So it is really about 17.5. The depth is about 7, and then the width is about 13. It needs to be able to slide in and out of certain airlines bins effortlessly for it to really count. Now, the shape of it, like I said, is more boxy, and he did that on purpose so that you can really utilize all the space and maximize your packing. This bag does hold 30 liters worth of stuff, you guys. So if you have this with a carry-on bag that holds about 40, that's 70 liters that you can pack with, which is about as much as one of those huge check bags. And you know we don't want to check bags. All right, so let's go over all the details. So here on the front, you do have this little Underseat Pro logo, and you do have this zippered pocket, of course, for anything easy access. It is the whole area right here, so you can put a ton of different stuff on there, or you can utilize all the other pockets on the outside. Let me show you. Here we have this little pocket. Here there are little pen sleeves as well. And then we have another zipper here for other stuff that's a little bit deeper than this one. So this whole side of the bag are 2 pockets. Cell phone, passport, portable charger. That's what I would put in there. And then on this side, you have a water bottle pocket, and it's huge. And I know you guys are obsessed with water bottle pockets on the outside of bags. We will put some in there when we pack this bag. And then there is this nice little clip on the side, so you can clip whatever you want. Maybe you're gonna clip headphones, maybe you're gonna clip a neck pillow, maybe you're gonna clip an eye mask, and I do love when bags have that. And then of course there are these straps on the top, so that if you want to top carry it, it does have these snaps and you can carry it like this. These straps are really nice and padded and mesh, so they're breathable and going to keep you a little bit more cool. Of course, they're adjustable, and there's a chest strap, which I know a lot of you guys love, especially if it's going to be really heavy and you really want the proper support on your body. Speaking of chest straps, there are also little straps down here so that you can attach your own waist strap if you want to, which I love because that's something that a lot of personal item size backpacks don't include. It's usually the carry-on size backpacks that include those. Now, of course, what personal item size bag wouldn't be complete without a trolley sleeve? This is the trolley sleeve here, so you can slip it over your favorite piece of luggage and glide through the airport as hands-free as possible. But Underseat Pro also has a nice little pocket here, which is awesome. So when this is on your luggage, you can keep stuff here. But let's say that you're actually at your destination and you're using this bag as your day trip or even walking around the city center. This portion will be on your back. So any valuables that you want to hide from pickpocketers, you can put in here and then they won't be able to reach it because it's going to be attached to your body. Now, speaking of anti-theft, these zipper pulls also have these little circles right here that overlap, and you can attach a lock with that. So if this was locked, you would not be able to open the zipper without getting the lock out. And did I mention the zippers are YKK? Don't ever buy a bag if the zippers aren't YKK, you guys. I'm telling you. And this is made out of the same great material as the Underseat Pro foldable bag, which does mean it is going to be waterproof, which is very important for a backpack. Let's open it up and check out the inside. Clamshell opening, you guys. This inside is exactly like the inside of the Underseat Pro foldable bag in the sense that this top portion has this mesh pocket and this mesh pocket. And the inside here, which is totally packable just like a suitcase, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little mesh pockets for ultimate organization. In here is also this little luggage tag here, which is great. You always want to attach a luggage tag to as much luggage as possible. So the inside here does have compression straps if you want to use them, but they are also removable. It also has this little key leash right here, whether you want to put your keys on it or something else that's a little bit more valuable. There is also this little pocket here to be able to put your laptop or your iPad, or even some folders if you're traveling for business and have paperwork. All right, so now it has come to the portion of the video where I am going to pack this bag. And like I said in my introduction, I'm going to pack it twice. I am going to pack it as if this is in addition to my carry-on with items that I would personally pack in my personal item. And I'm going to pack it as if you were traveling with only this bag, meaning clothes and shoes and other stuff like that. So let's start with the laptop portion. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. It fits in there effortlessly. You can definitely fit a 15 or a 16-inch in there as well. And then we're gonna put my iPad in there too, because why not? We're gonna test it, right? All right, so let's pack it with some more stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put my electronics bag. You know, as a content creator, you guys, I travel with a lot of electronics. So that's what's always going to be in my personal item. I'm going to put a camera, the camera that I use, I'm actually filming with right now, but I'm gonna use that camera instead. And we're gonna pack a lens. I've had a lot of you guys reach out about packing camera equipment, so here you have it. Then of course I'm going to do some TSA liquid because you will want to put those in your personal item. I'm also going to be packing my Bose headphones. Of course, if you don't have to do over-the-ear headphones, then you don't have to bring something this big. I could even still fit a bigger toiletries bag that aren't necessarily liquid items in there as well. I can fit a book in there as well. I can start utilizing the other pockets. So maybe let's put the book in there. I can still put a purse in there. I'm running out of stuff here. Let's pack a sweater. Like, look at everything I've packed in here. And I can still compress it down if I want to. Like I said, the straps are removable. Let's go ahead and zip it up. And then on the outside pockets, let's do my cell phone right up here, because that's the deeper pocket. And then on that back trolley sleeve, for safety, let's put my passport in there. Now, this is a lot of stuff, and I still have some room, and it is still kind of squishable. Now let's go ahead and pack it with other items like clothes and shoes. So a packing cube is going to be the biggest, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. This is a medium size packing cube from Traveler's Choice. Let's go ahead and pack a pair of shoes. I'm going to pack them like this so they're a little bit more flat. I'm gonna do a toiletries bag, and I can fit a smaller size packing cube in there too. And this is great. This right here is enough stuff for me to definitely pack for a weekend, if not even for a week. I have all my undergarments and socks and bathing suits. This is my entire capsule wardrobe that I could wear for definitely up to 2 or 3 weeks if I wanted to. Toiletries and a pair of shoes, plus whatever I'm wearing to travel. So you guys, this bag holds a lot of stuff. It's awesome. So let's go ahead and zip this up without using the compression so you can see what that looks like. It does maintain its great shape no matter what. I love that boxy shape, actually. I think it's really cute. Now let's test a bunch of water bottles in this while it's fully packed. So we'll start with the smallest one. Obviously this is going to fit perfectly fine. Then we're gonna go with this one here. That is going to fit great as well. This is even bigger and probably one of the biggest ones that I own, and that fits in there great. And I don't have some big, huge, crazy one, but I just grabbed this big cup instead because it's really wide, and then you can see that that could fit in there really well also. All right guys, so what do you think of the Underseat Pro Backpack? I think this is great. I love backpacks. You guys ask me about personal items all the time, and I always say, to be perfectly honest, I am a backpack girl and will always be a backpack girl. Mainly because if I'm not gonna trolley sleeve this onto a piece of luggage, I want all of that weight from my personal item to be evenly distributed between both of my shoulders. If I'm gonna do some sort of duffel or weekender bag, I either have to hold it on my arm or do a crossbody, which is really not gonna feel good, and I don't have the best back anyway. So comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you like the backpack version, or would you still do the wheeled foldable under seat version? Both of them are going to fit under the seat. Both of them are going to be great personal items, and maybe you need both. Again, if you are interested in getting this bag or any other great item from Underseat Pro, the links are down below in the description box. And remember, if you buy Underseat Pro, you're not only supporting us, but you are supporting a small business as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already so that I can help you travel often and pack well like I do. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.